So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate random movie plots or scripts for free without using any software that you can generate multiple times. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for plotgenerator.org.uk and just simply go to this website and check the URL very precisely. And here it says a movie script. Just simply tap over there, and once you do that it will directly random just simply go to this option. It said fill entire form with random ideas and hit submit. And once you do that, here you can see a script for a random movie will generate that you can use for without any copyright issues or anything, and even you can publish it or use it anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.